Hello, my dear children. Come, sit close to me. I will tell you a story today. It is a long story. It is a story about love, kindness, and time. Are you ready? Good. Let us begin. Once upon a time in a small village, there was a very big tree. The tree was strong, tall, and green. It gave sweet apples, cool shade, and a safe place for birds. The tree was old, but the tree was happy. Near the tree, there was a little boy. He was about your age, my dear children. The boy loved the tree, and the tree loved the boy. Every morning, the boy came running. Tree, tree, I am here, he shouted. The tree was happy and said, "Welcome, my boy. Come and play." The boy climbed up the branches. He picked apples and ate them. He lay down in the shade when he was tired. He even talked to the birds in the tree. He was never lonely because the tree was his friend. The boy was happy and the tree was happy. But children, listen carefully. Time always moves. The boy grew older. He went to school. He met new friends. He did not come to the tree every day. The tree waited, but the boy did not come often. One day, after a long time, the boy came back. The tree was so excited. "My boy, you are here. Come and play with me," the tree said. But the boy looked sad. He said, "I am not a boy now. I am a young man. I do not want to play. I want money. I want to buy many things." The tree thought for a moment. Then the tree said, "I have apples. Take my apples. You can sell them in the market. You will get money." The boy was happy. He took all the apples and left. The tree was happy too because the boy was happy. But then many years passed. The boy did not come. The tree waited alone. Finally, one hot afternoon, the boy came back. He was now a man. The tree said with joy, "Welcome back. Come and play with me." But the man shook his head. He said, "I am too busy to play. I need a house. I need a home for my family." The tree was silent for a while. Then the tree said, "Take my branches. You can build a house with them." The man cut the branches and left. The tree was happy again because the man was happy. The years passed again. The tree became old. It had no apples. It had no branches. It only had a strong trunk. One cold evening, the man came back, but now he was very old. His hair was white. His back was bent. He walked slowly with a stick. The tree smiled and said, "Welcome back, my dear friend. I have missed you. Come and play with me." The old man laughed softly. "Play? I am too old to play. I only want to rest. I am tired. My journey is long. I need a place to sit." The tree said with love, "I have no apples. I have no branches. I only have my trunk. But you can sit on me. Sit and rest." The old man smiled and sat down. He closed his eyes. He was peaceful. The tree was happy too. My dear children, do you see the lesson? The tree gave everything to the boy. It gave its apples, its branches, even its trunk. But the tree was always happy because love is giving. Love is sharing. Happiness does not live in money, toys, or houses. Happiness lives in kindness and care. So remember this. Be kind to your family. Be kind to your friends. Even a small act of kindness can make someone very happy.
If you want more, make sure to subscribe to my channel.